Should human cloning allow organ harvesting? Imagine a future where you could grow a new organ from your own cells in just a few weeks. That sounds like science fiction, but it's part of the ongoing debate about human cloning and its possibilities. Human cloning involves creating a genetically identical copy of a person. Some scientists see it as a way to produce organs for transplant, which could save many lives. The idea is to clone a human and then harvest their organs or tissues to replace damaged ones in the original person. Since the clone's DNA matches the recipient's, the risk of organ rejection drops dramatically. This could mean no more waiting years for a compatible organ donor. Plus, it could solve the huge shortage of organs available for transplant. But here's where the ethical questions come in. Creating a clone just to take their organs raises serious concerns about consent. The clone would not have agreed to be made for this purpose, which violates basic rights. Many believe that using a human being as a means to an end is morally wrong. The clone would be a person with the same rights as anyone else, and treating them as a source of spare parts is considered deeply unethical. There are also worries about how clones might be treated socially and psychologically. If they are raised or kept only for organ harvesting, they might feel alienated or be seen as commodities. Society could face serious moral dilemmas about how to treat these individuals. Another concern is the potential for abuse. Cloning for organs could lead to exploitation, like creating clones as disposable bodies or even slaves. On the scientific side, cloning technology is still not perfect. Clones can have health problems, physical abnormalities, or unknown medical risks. These issues make the idea even more controversial. Some argue that cloning for therapeutic purposes, like making compatible tissues, is acceptable and could save lives. Others say that less controversial methods exist, such as harvesting stem cells from adult tissues or placentas, which do not involve creating a whole human clone. When we think about this from a strange science perspective, it's like a bizarre experiment straight out of a science fiction story. Growing a human as a living organ bank pushes the boundaries of what science can do and what it should do. It raises questions about identity, morality, and the limits of scientific control over life. While the scientific potential is impressive, the ethical challenges are even bigger. Creating a clone solely for organ harvesting could compromise human dignity and lead to social issues we are not ready to handle. Instead, many experts believe that developing safer, more ethical ways to grow organs will be the way forward.